Assalamu alaikum, students of class 4. Here I am here for chapter number 12, time, and our topic is today 24 o'clock. But before starting our topic, I will explain you about that what is time and how we measure time, and then I will tell you about the types of the clocks that we will use. Here are first of all we will learn how to measure time. Okay, you should know about the clock. In a clock we have 12 hours in a clock. Okay, but in one day we have 24 hours. In one day we have how many hours? We have 24 hours. Okay, and in a clock we have 12 hours, and I will tell you how to measure the time here. Just keep in your mind, in a clock we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 hours, and at every hour we have the divisions 1 2 3 4 5 divisions. Okay, in a clock we have divisions between every hour. Okay, suppose if we are having 1 here, then it means here we are having 10 minutes or 10 seconds, 5 minutes or 5 seconds. Now see here 1 2 3 4 5. Just keep one thing in your mind. Every hour here on the clock is the multiple of 5. Like this. We can also count the divisions, or we can multiply the numbers on the clock with 5. Suppose it is 1, then 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Okay, here are 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and here 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 elevens are 55, and 5 12s are 60. Here are 60 minutes in a clock. Okay, and as well we have in some clocks we have three hands or needles, and in some clocks we have 2 hands. One hand, this which is smaller one, it is called the hour hand. Okay, hour hand. The hand which is longer, it is called minute hand. Okay, minute hand. And the other one which is longest one, it is called the third one. But in nowadays we can't see this type of hand in the clocks or watches. Second hand. Okay, seconds hand here. Clear about it? And whenever if the hour clock is here, you can see the time is 12. It show us the hours, this show us minutes, and this show seconds. Now if the hour hand is after 12 o'clock or 12, then we will see the time is 12:20. Okay, because the minute hand is near 4, then 4 fives are 20, then the time is 12, 12, 20. Okay, here I only told you time that it is 12:20, but after this I will tell you how to measure time in according to cycle 1 and cycle 2. Just it was all about only the minutes and seconds and hours of the clock. Now after this I will tell you about the 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock and about the cycles of the time or clock. Okay, now first of all I will tell you about 12-hour clock. In case of 12-hour clock, we should measure the time in AM and PM. We will measure. Okay. Now first of all, whenever the time start at midnight, when the time start, we say the day start at 12 a.m. which is at midnight. Okay, 12 a.m. At 12 a.m. at midnight, the cycle number 1 starts. Okay, the cycle number, first cycle. We can see first cycle start at 12 a.m. then 1 a.m. then 2 a.m. 3 a.m. 4 a.m. 5 a.m. 6 a.m. 7 a.m. 8 a.m. 9 a.m. 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. After 11 a.m. the midday start. The second cycle start after 11 a.m. which is called cycle number 2 or second cycle. Okay, here second cycle start at 12 p.m. or 12 noon. We can say 12 noon. Okay, then after 12 p.m. or 12 noon, it become 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4. You can also write like this, p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. now evening time, 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. at night, now again 10 p.m., 11 p.m. and after 11 p.m. again the cycle number 1 start at midnight 12 a.m. Okay, in case of 12-hour clock, always we use AM and PM. Okay, in cycle number 1 we use AM and in cycle number 2 we use all PM. Clear about it? It was about 12-hour clock. I am telling you again with the help of clock. In this diagram, with the help of clock, I am telling you about the 12-hour clock. Okay, now in the second clock, which is according to 24-hour clock, I will tell you what will be time. And in case of 24-hour clock, we use time in hours. Suppose the time start at midnight again. Midnight, it is called 0000 hours. Okay, 0000 hours at 1 midnight, 0100 hours. Okay, like this at night. Okay, we can write here 0100 hours. Okay, like this, and here 0200 hours at midnight. According to this, we will write 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 11 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, 12 hours. Okay, then it is now 12 hours is equal to then noon time at midday. But after midday, the one will become 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours, 15 and 17 hours, 18 hours, 19 hours, 20 hours, 21 hours, 22 hours, 23 hours, and again midnight 000 hours or 24 hours. Clear? As compared to 12-hour clock, the 24-hour clock is easier. Okay? With the help of these two clocks, I have made you understand about the clocks, that how many types of clocks are here: 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Okay? Now, after this, I will tell you, with the help of table, I will tell you what is the difference of these clocks, and you will be able to compare both clocks. Okay? Now see, here I am having the table, and you can compare both things in one table. Okay, here I have drawn the columns, okay, about 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Just keep in your mind, at midnight we are having, if we are having 12 a.m., which will be according to 24-hour clock, will equal to 00 or 24 hours. Okay, hours. We will read them as hours. Okay, then after midnight, 1 a.m., 1 hours, 2 a.m., 2 hours. There is no need to write a.m. or p.m. in 24-hour clock. Okay, 4 a.m., 4 hours. Okay, we will read them as it is. Now, 3 a.m., 3 hours, 4 a.m., 4 hours, 5 a.m., 5 hours, 6 a.m., 6 hours, 7 a.m., 7 hours, 8 a.m., 8 hours, 9 a.m., 9 hours, 10 a.m., 10 hours. Now, 11 a.m. is equal to 11 hours. It was also cycle number 1. First cycle in a case of 12 hour is all about equal to AMs. Okay, in first cycle we will take the time in AM, but after 11 AM the midday start or the noon start. Okay, at noon the time is 12 PM, or in case of 24 o'clock 12 noon. 1 PM, then after in second cycle the PM time starts. Okay, 1 PM 13 hours, 2 PM 14 hours, 3 PM 15 hours. Again we can write hours. Okay, okay, 3 p.m. 15 hours, 4 p.m. 16 hours, 5 p.m. 17 hours, 6 p.m. 18 hours, 7 p.m. 19 hours, 8 p.m. 20 hours, 9 p.m. 21 hours, 10 p.m. 22 hours, 11 p.m. 23 hours, and 12 again. See the difference? 12 is again now midnight. As here in noon, the 12 was PM, but at midnight, at 12 AM will again start in the start, and again after 11 PM the first cycle will repeat itself again. The time will be 24 hours. Suppose I can write here for 24 hours. Okay, this time is equal to, we read it 24 hours. Okay, we read it 24 hours. Clear? We will read it 24 hours. Okay, with the help of this table, you will be able to convert time from 12 hour to 24 hour, or convert 24 hour time to 12 hour. Okay, and after this you will solve your exercise given in the in your book. Okay, inshallah you will be able to solve this. Next is 12 noon. This one, 12 p.m. we have to change into 24 hours. The time will be same. There will not be any difference. Again, 12 noon. Here, 4:55 p.m. Again, now we will go to the table. 4 p.m. We have to use p.m. 4 p.m. Okay, 4 p.m. is equal to 16 hours. Now we will use 16:55 hours. Okay, because 4 is equal to 16 hours. Now 12:05 a.m. Again we will go to 12 a.m. and you will see 12 a.m. is equal to 24 hours, and you will use, I want to show you again. 12 a.m. is equal to 24 hours, midnight. That's why, as 12 is equal to 12 a.m. is equal to 24 hours, instead of this 12, we will use 2 zeros and 5. Okay, 24 5 hours. Okay, now beta, I think you have learned too much about times. Inshallah, next time we will meet again with a new topic and new things. Inshallah, we'll meet. Allah Hafiz.